Yeah, today we are going to learn about the property additive inverse. Additive inverse. So what is this actually? Okay, a s of minus a is equals to 0, where a belongs to integers. So for any integer, positive integer a, there will be some negative integer such that if you add both you will get 0. In this case, a is called additive inverse of minus a, and minus a is called additive inverse of plus a. Clear? It's nothing but both integers are additive inverses to each other. Okay, let's discuss with a few more examples. Okay, I have some 19. Which is it, a positive integer or negative integer? It is a positive integer, so you have nothing is there here sign, so it indicates it is plus. So plus 19 is there. Okay, by adding which integer to this 19, you will get 0. For example, this is rough work. Okay, 19 is there. Okay, I am adding somewhat because it is plus positive one, I want to take some negative. Okay, now what is the answer? 19 and minus 1. If you add one positive and one negative integer, you are adding. So because it is 19 and it is minus 1, when you add, you will get 18. So do you feel 18 is a 0? No. So you take any integer. Okay, any integer, you won't get 0. Only one integer is there, that is minus 19. Okay, only one integer will be there, mark is minus 19. If you add only minus 19 to plus 19, then only you are going to get 0. Other than these two integers, if you want to take some other number, some other integer, you won't get 0. So that is why 19 is called additive inverse of minus 19. Plus 19 is called additive inverse of minus 19, and minus 19 is called additive inverse of plus, vice versa. Okay, both are additive inverses to each other. Okay, now one more example. Plus 1 is there. By adding what to this plus 1, you will get 0, because see, plus is there, plus, so obviously you need to take negative only, so that negative integer, positive integer is there, so by taking which integer you will get 0. So 1 is there, the same one if you add, what will you get? 1 plus 1, 2 you are going to get. I want 0. Equally you need, see, I am giving 2 apples to you, so when you are going to get when you will get 0 apples, if I take it back again 2 apples, then only you are going to get in your hands 0 apples will be there. For example, A is there, B is there, so A has given 2 apples. Okay, 2 apples, and he took 1 apple return. He gave how many? 2 apples. So right now in B is having how many apples? 2 apples. Now he took 1 apple back. So how many apples B is going to have? 1 only. So if I want to make B's hands empty, means 0 apples if I want to make, what should I do? I should return both apples again to this A. So whatever you are giving, the same thing you need to return. So giving is nothing but positive, taking back is nothing but negative. Okay, now see here, plus 1 is there. Okay, now I want to return it again. I mean, if I add minus 1, then only I am going to get 0. So minus 1 and plus 1 are additive inverses to each other. Okay, and for example, a question will be there. I hope you have understood what are additive inverses. Simply, the definition here is no. I just want to show you what is the definition. I have written already here. Okay, this is definition in detail. Now listen. In general, for any integer a, there exists an integer minus a such that plus a and minus a, if you add, you will get 0. So a plus of minus a is equals to 0. You need to take two integers in such a way that if you add those two numbers, you should get 0. Then only both integers are called additive inverses of each other. Clear? This is a definition. You can note it down. Okay, in your classwork. Now let's how this additive inverse helps us in solving questions means in many ways you can use this additive inverse property. When the situation comes, definitely I'm going to explain you, but right now how the questions will come on under additive inverses. Write the additive inverses of following integers. So this is a question. Okay, and this is the main heading. Questions are -1, second question 2, third question 17, fourth question 0, fifth question +1. Okay, now see here answers. Solution. Okay, what is the first solution? First solution, additive inverse of -1 is equals to what? Obviously +1. Why? Because +1 and -1, if you add, you will get 0. That is why. Now second question is what? 2. What is this? Second solution 2. Okay, additive inverse of +2 is equals to -2. Why? Because +2 and -2, if you add, you get 0. That is why. Next question, solution 3. What is the third question? What is the 17? Additive inverse of 17 is what? I hope you have written already answer, -17. Okay, next. Why? Because 17 and -17, if you add, then only you are going to get 0. That is why these two are additive inverses to each other. The next solution, fourth one is what? Additive inverse of 0 is what? 0 is nothing but 0. 0 key. If you add 0 to what, you will get again 0. Simply 0 only. Okay, clear?